What is going on, lawn crew? It's Aaron with Lansing Lawn Service. Today, like I told you last week in last week's video, I am changing the blades to regular blades on the Gravely to see whether it'll cut just as good with regular straight blades right after this. Okay guys, these are the blades that I'm putting on the Gravely. These are Stens blades, and they're high lift blades. They're not ultra high lift. I can't seem to find ultra high lift blades anywhere. So this is what I've got to put on it. I ran these once before without any washers or anything, and it cut like crap. So now I'm going to try to put some washers in between the blade and the spindle to see if that will create more airflow, more suction to cut the grass a little better. So let's get at it. Okay, and just for a reference, I'm going to compare the two blades. This is the Gravely blade. As you can see, the two sides come down about 1/4 of an inch. And then this is the blade that I'm going to put on it today. Just straight, regular, high lift blade. So just wanted to give that to you for reference. We're putting on two 3/8 inch washers, and these are going to go between the blade and the spindle. So they go on top of the blade like this. The bolt, the regular bolt, just goes right through. These go on that. And then this, which covers the spindle, which I really like this, by the way. I think this was very smart of Gravely. Doesn't collect any grass around it. Very smart. This goes on there like this. And then that sits up on the spindle. So let's put it on. Someone asked me one time what kind of impact wrench I use. This is a Tool Shop brand impact wrench. I got this at Menards for I think it was like 30 or 60 bucks, something like that. Works pretty good. I wish I had the smaller head. It would make a little bit more room to get the blades on and off. But other than that, this is a really good impact wrench that I found at Menards for under $100 for sure. Now another thing with these blades that I'm hoping will do a little bit more is the blade cutting surface itself. This one is about 8 inches long. The other one is about 5 inches long. So like 3 more inches of cutting blade, maybe only 2. I can't really tell. But it is significant, so I'm hoping that will increase the quality of cut, not leave as many stragglers, and will aid in the good quality of cut. Alright guys, so I wanted to show you this as well. With the Gravely blade, as you can see, there's a little curve to it, and I don't know if that matters on the cutting edge here. Maybe it does, I don't know, but I think the wing does matter. I think that may not be kicking the grass out as fast or as far, and so that's why I'm trying to switch blades. I think it's going to work a little bit better with traditional blades with the washers. So let's test my theory. I did cut my grass last night, but I'm just going to cut an area down to 3 inches. I cut it to 3.5 last night, so I'm going to cut it down to 3 inches, and we'll see how it looks. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm going to cut this area here Just this area. It's a little bit thicker. It's got a lot of clover and stuff. It's got a lot of clover and stuff like that, but I think it'll work well to cut it down to 3 inches and see the quality of cut. So let's check it out. Okay guys, so I took the camera off of the tripod, so it might be a little shaky, but let me show you and get a good up close look at the grass here. It's going to be kind of hard to tell because it was just cut last night to 3.5 and I'm only cutting it to 3, but it seemed to cut pretty well and it seemed to disperse the clippings pretty well too. So let's take a look. So over here we have the area where I started. And you can see that it's higher there. You can see the height difference, and there's a few stragglers that I can see. I wish I wouldn't have cut the grass last night, but I did because I thought it was going to rain all day today. So there's just a few stragglers that I can see, but this is going down the line here. This is just trash. That's not grass clippings. You can see some of the grass clippings here, and it looks like it's cutting fairly good. I mean, not terrible, but I am seeing some spots that might be problematic, like right here. It looks like it's higher here, and it also looks like it's higher here. It could just be an optical illusion because the tire tracks are right here, but I think it's a little higher here, lower here, higher here, lower where the tracks are. But it could just be an optical illusion. So I'm gonna double cut it and see if it looks any different, okay? So let's do that. Okay guys, so I don't think there's terrible amount of difference, but we're going to take a look here and see. It is about the same, guys. It really is. It's about the same all the way across. It looks like a clean cut to me. Maybe changing the blades out remedied my problem. I don't know. It's hard to tell just cutting a 1/2 inch off. We will see. I don't know. I can tell you that some of the blades of grass are not getting cut clean. I can tell you that. That's ripped right there. So that's not good. That's a tearing action right there. It's not getting cut clean, and these are brand new blades, quite sharp. I think it cut pretty clean. I mean, I don't see any stragglers after the second cut, and I don't see any unevenness. It pretty much looks the same as it did before, so could have just been an optical illusion, but yeah, it looks okay, other than it's really ripping up those grass blades. But let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know your opinion. Give me some tips too on the grass. Like I said, these are brand new blades, sharp. So I don't know why it's ripping the grass. Maybe that type of grass just is going to rip. I don't know. These aren't razor sharp blades, but you're not supposed to make them razor sharp. So I don't know, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the cut quality here. I will try to get more video later on in the week when the grass has grown up a little bit. Maybe that will change my opinion and your opinion. But yeah, for now, it looks pretty good. So thanks for watching. Please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Again, let me know in the comments below what you think of the cut quality, what you think of the grass, all that stuff. And I will see you when I test this out again.